Once you're happy with all your appraisal, you could submit it. So what that means is create a PDF version of everything that you've decided to include in your appraisal, all together in one place. Once you're done, you can press Create PDF. It's important you use Google Chrome. You can also decide what you want to include in your appraisal and what you don't want to. Over here you have a preview. So you just press Create PDF. And you should automatically get a preview of the PDF for your record. Here it says Save as PDF, and then you press Save. And it will save onto your computer. And with that document, you can do as you wish. You can email that or print it off for your record. It's important that you've done this only after you've completed all of the different elements of your appraisal, as you won't be able to edit or access or download your appraisal after you've submitted it. So after you've submitted your appraisal, you'll come to this page. Over here, you need to upload your appraisal document, checklists and certifications. You can download your appraisal output checklist and certification here in either Word or PDF format. This is usually filled out together with your appraiser. And that's it. You can go back to your dashboard here and you can see that your appraisal has been submitted and your appraisal is complete.